Yo, so we're here at the Curse of Miriam, the world premiere in Dallas, Texas. And everyone is coming from all over the nation to come and view this movie. So let's see where the people from.
What's going on, y'all? It's Abaddon from Philly.
Hey, my name is Azariah, man. I'm coming out of Austin, Texas.
Hey, I'm Baruch. Hey, man, I'm from Arkansas. I'm here in Dallas, man.
East House of Officer Jonah from IUIC, Arkansas.
We're here for the Curse of Miriam premiere for OR Films, man. It's going to be a big thing. We got the concert after, so you know I had to pop up.
And we're here to see the Curse of Miriam. We're here to see biblical depictions in real time, all right?
And you already know the Curse of Miriam film. All praises, man. I'm here to see that thing. I'm super excited, bro. All praises, all praises. Shoo. Man, really, I'm just excited, bro, to see the black imagery, the true depiction of the Bible in the film. So, man, I got my kids, my family with me, man. I'm ready for the kids to see black people portrayed biblically, all right? All praises.